Alright guys, it's time to ship these very nice but also very fragile antique plates. And what we're going to do is use some styrofoam pool noodles to ship those. Got all my supplies out here. We'll go through it real quick. First thing I'm going to do is protect the plates before putting the noodles on. I'm putting a couple layers of tissue over them. Get my tape out here. Okay, so here we go. We got the tissue on here, and this doesn't have to look pretty or anything, but it's just going to protect the paint on here before we put the styrofoam on it. It's an important step for aesthetics mostly. It looks nice. Okay, so I got my pool noodle out. I'm not going to try to wrap the thing all the way around it because it would bend or break, so I'm going to do about 1/4 of the length at a time. Cut off about 8 to 10 inches right here. And then we have a nice little piece to start with. And we're going to just cut a slice down one side of it. It's going to create a little pocket. This one might be a little too long. Oh, that's a good start for it. So it's going to protect this side right here. Okay, now we got all the sides really well protected. I'm going to put a little tape on the top here so this stuff doesn't move. A little bit on the bottom. I got this area pretty well protected. Now we're going to use the bubble wrap. Now you got the styrofoam, you can tape the bubble wrap to the styrofoam. That's a pretty good hold. And bring it on around. And I like to do one on each side. There you have it. It's about as well protected as you can be. Probably going to tape these down too, just keep everything looking nice and sharp. You can throw this across the room and it ain't going to get damaged. Now I have to do the other one, the second one just the same, and then I'm going to put both of these into a 13 by 13 by 9 USPS box. Probably put a little bit of cardboard in between them, a little bit of this shipping tape underneath at the bottom and on the top, and maybe a little bit of tissue in there for aesthetics, make it look good. And I think these are going to be arriving safe and secure. Okay, there it is, ready to go. I'm going to get that second one looking just like that, and we're going to put them down in the box. And this is a great way to keep your porcelain antique plates and other very breakable items secure when shipping.